Chapter 1 Introduction. Data communication and networking are changing the way we do businesses and the way we live. Technological advances are making it possible for communications links to carry more and faster signals. As a result, services are evolving to allow use of this expanded capacity. For example, established telephone services such as reference calling, conference calling, call waiting, voicemail, and caller ID have been extended. That means technology is evolving such a way that these communication technologies are also evolving and new things are coming in market such as conference calling, call waiting, voicemail, caller ID, etc. We want to access the internet to download and upload information quickly and accurately at any time. So that means we are accessing internet very often for downloading and uploading information also. This chapter addresses four issues. First is data communication, then networks, the internet, and the protocol and standards. First, we give a broad definition of data communications. Then we define networks as a highway on which data can travel. So network is a highway on which data is traveling. So the internet is discussed as a good example of an internetwork, that is network of networks. So internet is network of networks. So it is discussed as good example of internetwork. Finally, we discuss different types of protocols, the difference between protocols and standards, and the organizations that set those standards. Data communications. When we communicate, we are sharing information. This sharing can be local or remote. The term telecommunication, which includes telephony, telegraphy, and television, means communication at a distance. So, telecommunication means communication at a distance. So, tele is a Greek word for far. So, that is why telecommunication is coming from. The word data refers to information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. So the data is basically information which is coming from different parties. Data communication are the exchanges of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium such as wire cable. So data communication is communication of data. That means communication is exchange of data. For example, we are sending someone message hi on WhatsApp. So that is data communication. So data communication are exchanges of data between two devices. So that means we are sending our sending hi from our cell phone to through WhatsApp to cell phone of other person which has installed that application. So data communication are exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium such as wire cable. The effectiveness of data communication system depends on four fundamental characteristics: delivery, accuracy, timeliness, and jitter. So these are effective qualities for effectiveness of data communication. First is delivery. The system must deliver data to correct destination. Data must be received by intended device or user and only by that device or user. So first is delivery. So delivery means that data should be received or sent to correct address. Second is accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately. Data that have been altered in transmission and left uncorrected are unusable. So data should be accurate also. First is it should be delivered to proper destination, then it should be accurate. Third is timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. That means latency should be good. That means it should not lag. Data delivered late are useless. In case of video and audio, timely delivery means delivering data as they are produced. Now jitter. Jitter refers to variation in packet arrival time. It is uneven delay in the delivery of audio or video packets. So jitter is basically glitch. For example, let us assume that video packets are sent every 30 milliseconds. If some of the packets arrived with a 30 millisecond delay and other with 40 millisecond delay, an uneven quality in the video is the result. So that is basically jitter. So it is a glitch in the transmission.